Hi guys, good morning. Here we are again. So, you are here at...
Ang daily thoughts of the
So,
day.
yesterday, our topic is about padayon or continue what we are doing. Now, our topic for this day is about bangon. For whom we are doing these things. Okay, para kanino ba? Para saan ba? Okay, for who? For whom? Okay? Always remember those people who loves you the most and those people who you really love the most. So always think those people who inspires you to do what you are doing right now, and always be positive because they are there to support you a lot and your journey, especially God is always in your journey. Always do things for Him, glorify Him, na always do things nga mag-glorify ang image ni Lord, no? Always use your capabilities, always do things nga kana malipay or mahimaya ang Ginoo. Okay? Wala to.